Guys, and today I just got an NRG 69-inch carbon fiber wing. We're going to be installing it on the E36. This is going to be freaking dope. I've always wanted one of these. Here's the materials you're going to need: some tape so you don't scratch up your paint, and if your paint is already scratched up and you're doing a paint job, then who cares, you don't need the tape. Measuring tape, this is going to be really handy so you can measure and, you know, make sure you center it and everything, and also a black marker so you can do the dots. As you can see, I already drilled 2, couldn't wait, so I did it. Only 3, and I mean, as far as basic materials, and then you're gonna need a drill. Got a Milwaukee over there, so we're pretty much set. Oh, and you're gonna need some hardware. My bad. You're gonna need some hardware. I already got some. Well, let's get to it. Alrighty, here we go. Alright guys, now that you've got all the holes drilled in, you can start assembling your wing. If it's not assembled, I already assembled mine before I even did it. Before I even, you know, drilled the holes, obviously. I'm going to start placing it and start putting in the hardware. Anyways, after all of that, the wing is finally on, guys, and that's the final look. I love it. It looks sweet from the back and the front. Gonna take it for a test run to see how it handles, but that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for watching.